Hi again, this is Greg Lopman with Brilliance IT with a few more tech tips for you to help your systems run smooth and help everything go great for you. Today, we're going to go ahead and learn how to install some extensions into Google Chrome. If this video does well, I might go back and show Firefox extensions, but these are the most beloved extensions that exist in Google. So navigate to Google, and the actual web link it's right here. It's https chrome.google.com, web store, categories, extensions. But just typing extensions into Google brings it up. So what you're looking for is the chrome.google and then extensions for the web store. So you go ahead and click that. It's going to bring you to a search page. The first extension that I love the most, and I'm going to go ahead and try to show you an example of this, is AdBlock Plus and AdBlock. If we can see this while we're going around here. Let's look for something. Looking for lawn mower. Okay, so you get sponsored links over here to the side. You're getting marketed to here on the edge. And the top here is an ad. And granted, these are ad-supported sites, but these ads are distracting and they drive me insane. So the best way to really remove these is to install a few plugins for either Chrome or Firefox. We're going to go ahead and look for AdBlock. And I like to install the original AdBlock. I also like to install the AdBlock Plus Beta, which gives you a little extra kick. And then the element hider. And the element hider is it cuts text ads out of the page. So like these ads down here, these AdWords, they get completely removed from the page. It just really helps to clean up the way everything looks. These are the first ads, and I'm going to go ahead and give you a restart. Do support the developers of these. They work very hard on these. So if you get a chance, donate to them. But okay, so this is our first set of extensions that we've installed. And we're back at Google. Lawn mower. And some of the sponsored ads show up here, but as you can see, the upper portion here where there was one sponsored ads and the lower portion here are completely gone. Sometimes it takes a little bit for everything to kick in, but these eventually will go away, and then it'll be pretty much on every page where you see any AdWords, they're going to be gone completely too. So the next step in running safer online is going to be to install Do Not Track Plus. And this extension stops okay, when you go to a website, your information is shared about the internet, and the usage history that you have helps marketers drive advertising toward you. And I just don't feel really comfortable with this, so I go ahead and install Do Not Track Plus. And if you go ahead and install that ad, that's loading. And they're going to take you to a site where a video of exactly how Do Not Track Plus works. Basically, it's this little icon up here. You can see it working as it goes. So we're going to go to CNN.com. And at least from the very first go, 5 places have tried to track my information since they've been here. So they're not able to get it. If you watch a Do Not Track Plus video, it's a lot more in-depth on that. The one thing I will say going back to the ad block is some pages will be very finicky about it. So you'll have to come up here and temporarily turn off or pause ad block or add exemptions for pages that do have a serious problem with it. So keep that in mind when you're using it. Do Not Track Plus is pretty much just non-invasive. But these are great these are great extensions. They work well, they increase productivity, and they keep me from getting distracted on the internet, to be honest with you. So I would recommend for anyone who's running any modern browser to install them. You're going to have a cleaner experience online.